guys, welcome to Creativity and Inspiration. Today's video is a little bit different. It's a vlog. I am eating my breakfast lunch because I have work at 1:30 and don't get off till 7:30, so I probably won't eat again till I get home, which is going to be some more of this. I'll tell you what it is in a minute. Got my water, I've got my Coke, caffeine for the day. I'm watching videos, and this is pretty much going to be how I eat my breakfast slash lunch. Then we'll go into the bedroom and I will show you some of the goodies for my Christmas tree. The one I'm going to make that's going to be my Zen space. I was going to take Larry to get a haircut and go to the Lego store because he can't drive, but he wasn't feeling very well this morning, so he's laying down taking a nap. But anyway, it's okay. I've got a lot of art to create this weekend. I've got to work all weekend, so come along for a real life vlog. And I didn't start this in the morning because, one, I'm not going to do one of those fake wake ups. Sorry. But we're going to have a good day. So let's eat. I'm going to watch some YouTube while I eat, and then we'll go see what I got.
I'm and I'm going to hot glue it from end to end on the ribbon, and not on the cabinet, just...
I got these potatoes. They're Green Giant mixed potatoes in a steakhouse seasoned butter. It's like red potatoes, white potatoes, and purple potatoes. And I threw them in the air fryer, and I cut up a piece of light Spam, L-I-T-E, light Spam, and a couple of pieces of jalapeno Spam, and threw those in with the Green Giant potatoes and cooked them in the air fryer, and they're really good.
Over on itself.
I will say, if you can just get white potatoes or red potatoes, I would get them. They cooked a lot better. The purple potatoes are still, I don't know, not cooked all the way, or they're cooked all the way, but they just have a weird texture. And I don't know why, because they're potatoes. If anybody knows out there, leave me a comment down below. Why do purple potatoes have a different texture to them? Okay, guys. I just ate my lunch breakfast. All gone, except for a few pieces of potato. It was pretty good. Those potatoes had like a steakhouse seasoning butter, and when you cooked it, mine got a little crispy, but it was good. Alright, I think let's go see what our tree and stuff is going to look like. I'll show you what I've got so far. A few more items coming, but then we're going to decorate our space. I'm also thinking I'm going to go pull my car out and go up in the attic and start bringing down Christmas. So we're going to do that too. I'm going to check the weather because I might have to leave my car out. Probably not. I'll move it all over. But anyway, let's go check out this pink Christmas. I think it'll be fun. Right? Okay, guys. Here's the stuff I got. I got some really pretty pink flowers. Look at that. Aren't those pretty? And it's got a little bit of gold in there too. See that? So we'll stick all that in. I'm excited. So I have some flowers. And then I got all of these pink ornaments. Look at that. They're clear ornaments, and some of them have like shredded paper in them and other things, and there's like different types of glitter. There's some sequins ornaments. So these are going to be fun. And I've got a little star for the top. When I tell you this tree is going to be pink, it's going to be pink. And I got some pink lights. I got pink tinsel. And then look at these. I got the cutest pink ornaments. Oh, this side. But look how cute. I'm just going to show you a few. Look how cute these are. Aren't they adorable? I love, these are wood. These are real wood, little pink ornaments. So we're going to mix the wood ornaments with the bulbs. I think it's going to be fun. And the flowers. It's going to be kind of a really eclectic pink tree, which is how I am. So I think it's perfect. So we will decorate this tree probably tomorrow night when I get off of work. I'm excited to use flowers. I always wanted to use flowers on a tree, and Larry he didn't like the idea. But this is for my space. And then I'm getting rid of, here, old painting or old picture of flamingos from the 70s. By the way the frame looks, it's really, I don't like it. I'm going to take it down and it won't go back up. And I have some Christmas hanging stuff to go in this corner because obviously the tree is going to go on that table. Super excited about that. Yeah, it's going to look good. I'm excited. This is the first ever, it's like my Barbie tree. If you don't like pink, you could picture this tree in yellow, green, orange. You can get any color of anything you want. You don't have to, do red and green. You don't have to do pink. You can do whatever color you want. So I strongly encourage you, if you have a little space, doesn't have to be big. My tree is 4 feet, which is shorter than me. I'm 4'11", 10, 9, somewhere in there. So it doesn't have to be a big tree, but make yourself a tree. You deserve it. Okay, well, Sam's licking his feet, so we gotta go wash his feet. You hear him coughing because he does that when he licks his feet. I'm gonna go wash his feet, and then I'm gonna go out in the garage and start bringing stuff down. So I'll probably take you guys with me, and I'll take my phone and show you the attic because that's where the stuff is. Hey guys, it's a new day. Oops. Okay. Hey guys, it's a new day. I finished the decorating cleaning and you're about to see it, so stay tuned. If you liked the video, don't forget, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button with that little bell, and I will be back on Wednesday with a new video. Take care. I'm on my way to work and to take Larry to an appointment. Bye.